Hi guys, today I came up with a recreation of a makeup look which is Selena Gomez makeup look from Cannes 2019. So this is a recreation of that makeup look and I'm not spreading any kind of message to look like her. So I hope you'll understand what I want to say. So please keep on watching to know how I've got this look. First, I'm going to moisturize my face with this Clinique Moisture 72 hours moisturizer auto replenishing hydrator. This is a full name. So after that, for the glow I want for my face, I'm going to use the Pond's Light Moisturizer, the green packaging one. It is very lightweight, but it will give you that glow which you want. After that, for primer, I'm going to use the Color Perfect Match Primer. And I'm going to focus especially on my T-zone. And the nail polish which I'm wearing is from Color Bar in the shade Wildflower, inspired by Devushi. She has suggested, that's why I'm wearing. After that, I'm going to use this MAC Concealer Corrector palette. The palette shade name is Medium Deep, and from that palette I'm using NW40 for my dark circles and for the dark spots which I have on my face. For foundation, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC42. For highlighting my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline True Matte Concealer in the shade 6DW. And I'm going to use this concealer in a very generous amount on my skin, on my eyes also. And then I'm going to blend that properly. After that, I'm going to use the darkest shade from the MAC Conceal and Corrector palette, and I'm gonna contour my face, my nose, under my lips also I'm gonna use a bit, and I'm gonna blend it in a very seamless way. This concealer is such a creamy and in a very thick means consistency, but it blends like butter. MAC blends like butter, but not losing its, you know, power of intensity. It doesn't lose due to blending. After that, I'm going to set my concealer on my whole face by using the L'Oreal True Match Compact. After that, I'm going to set my whole face with a fluffier brush from Wet n Wild. Then for today, I'm going to use the Maybelline The Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the this shade from this palette, and I'm going to place that in my crease and in my outer corners in a very soft way, not in a harsh way, because this look is very soft. After that, I'm going to use this champagne gold shade from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to place that on my eyelid. After that, I'm going to draw my eyeliner. It's a pure wing eyeliner, so you have to be very patient while you're doing this eyeliner. Do as I am doing. I'm using the Inglot AMC gel eyeliner, but there are many other gel liners. You can use any of them. Then I'm going to curl my lashes by using the Forever 21 eyelash curler. After that, I'm going to use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It is the waterproof one. This waterproof mascara is very hard to remove. Very hard to remove. After that, I'm going to use this nude eye pencil from Wet n Wild. It is in the shade Calling Your Buff. Everything's link is given down in the description box below. Go and take that if you want to know where you can find it. After that, I'm going to finish my lower lash line mascara, and then I'm going to highlight my brow bone. the same shade I have used in my mid lip. Also, I'm going to highlight my eyes in a very soft way. Then I'm going to use a powder bronzer, the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to bronze my face where I have contoured my face. After that, I'm going to use the local brand blush. Then I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution highlighter. Then to line my lips, I have used the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Berry Red. And the lipstick which I have used is from Maybelline Loaded Golds in the shade 10 Smoking Red. So this is my finished look. I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below if you liked it or not, and be happy. Thank you.